Hello and welcome. It's Gillykube and I'm here on the Sunshine Coast in Queensland, Australia. Doing holiday pours, yes, doing holiday pours. So I hope you all are having a peaceful, relaxing time and enjoying your food and hopefully some entertainment or making your own entertainment. Grab me gloves. I just hope that you're all doing well and you are enjoying this season. So here in Australia we've got a nice warm sunny day and I am definitely going to go for a swim today because it's nice and warm after I've done my time in the art room. So I'm going to make sure I have a nice relaxing time in my art room and then go for a swim. And then sit on the back veranda and just chillax. So I hope you guys do the same. And today I've mixed my acrylic paints. I am again using the global impasto paints. Fantastic colours. I've got them pre-mixed that I've done several pours with. And the description of how I mix my paint is in the drop-down box below. And today I'm going to do a dip. I'm going to dip. No, you know what I'm going to do? No, I'll do a dip. I was going to dip on bubble wrap, but I think I'll dip canvas to canvas. So we'll try that. Have done lots of dips in the past, but I haven't done them for quite a long time, and I haven't done them with these paints. So, let's just see how we go. I am going to start off. I pre-mixed my white in this, I think it's a litre container with the lid on. I pre-mix it with my glue. This one is with glue and floetrol. The recipe's below. And I've just got it then ready to use whenever I want to use it. So if you're a beginner, I have beginners videos there too for beginners. So I'm going to just cover the very circumference. Sounds like, I don't know why it sounds funny to me. I'm going to cover that in white. I won't use the white there. So I'm just done round that edge in white. So I am going to add some bright colours in here. So this is the bright yellow. I don't know whether I should pour it. I like doing my dips with the little chevrons. I don't know why. I just started doing them this way and they just always turned out lovely. So I've continued just doing these little V's, and it's, you just plod along and it's quite nice and relaxing. So you just go with the flow, Joe, go with the flow. So that one will do for now. And then this is which red was this? I think this is the warm red in global. So yes, very nice bright colours. Something bright and uplifting. Just wanted to do these bright and uplifting colours. They're just my thing. Different artists have their favourite colours that they like to work with and what they choose for around their own home. And I just love my bright colours, I really do. Just always makes me smile when I see them. They're just something bright and uplifting. So I'm just hoping that this paint consistency is thick enough. You have to do, I find you do the dips a little bit thicker than you would anything else, just so they don't go muddying up. I have a little bit of my Berry Delicious here, so I am definitely going to put some of that in because that makes everything come up nice and rich. So this is like a deep eggplant or aubergine or black cherry. And I make that out of, it's custom colour, magenta, the darkest blue you have, and then if you want to send it even a bit more dark again, a little bit of a blob of black, just a little bit. I don't measure things, so don't ask me so how much, because I just put a blob of this and a blob of that, and that's the way I'm going to keep doing it, because that's just me. Keep true to yourself, I say. Keep true to yourself. This is the pearl white, so that might be, that's too runny. That's definitely too runny, so I'm not going to use that any further in there, because it might make the rest of it go muddy. This is the gold, the metallic gold, and oh yeah, that's a bit runny too. Oh, I'm just hoping, praying that this doesn't go into, definitely if I've done this and it's very runny, it can go into a bit muddy. I've done that several times, and so no matter how many times you do it, you sometimes just don't get it right. Do I or don't I? Yes, why not? Got the phthalo blue, or I know it was a dark blue. I think this was pre-mixed a while ago. That's a bit runny too. Oh, now I'm risking it. Risk it for a swisket. So that, oh, that's thicker. So this is the grey that I made up, just basically white, a bit of black, just kept mixing a tiny bit of black and then a little bit of blue in there. So this is probably just the right consistency, but now I'm really worried that I've gone and messed it up with those consistencies in the other ones. Just putting a spot of white here and there, just because I can. There you go, just because I can. Oh, here goes. You know what? If this goes muddy, I will just scrape it off and start again. So I've got my second canvas, the same size. So I've got my push pins on the back, which it's great to hold on to these when you're pushing it in. And then here we go. So this is the dip. And I'm just hoping and praying that I'm not going to cause mud. So you just push it against the other one and then you gently press in the center so the paint transfers onto this canvas also. If it doesn't fully transfer, don't panic, because you can go over it, dip your balloon on the bits that don't transfer, which I'll show you. So you can flip the other canvas over, and that will make sure that the paint transfers onto your dipped canvas, but I'm just so worried about that one canvas going to mud, which it could very well do because I've got my consistencies too runny. So anyway, in for a penny, in for a pound. Here we go. That did not work. Holy do. Okay. I can't do any more mess than that. Let me put it back. Oh, Jesus. Jesus, Jilly. Let me flip it. Let's go all out and do the big mess of all time. Oh my gosh, what am I doing? You've got to really make sure it transfers and you push the colours out. And if it goes muddy, we'll start again. I'll cut this bit. But this is what I believe. I need to show you my complete bloopers along with the winners, because otherwise it makes you feel when you have a bad result that you're the only one and you're doing something wrong. I've done this dozens of times, and there you go, it doesn't work out perfect every time. So gosh, wouldn't this just be some miracle if I turned it over and for some miracle it looked absolutely stunning? Okay, come on, Christmas spirit. Holy dooly, what a big, this is nice. That is a big, that's definitely Santa's vomit, I tell you. Holy dooly. Let me think. Let me think. What the heck? This is gorgeous around here, but this is not so bad, but let me see what I can do. It might, there's definitely too much paint on there to really work with that right now. It might be better after I let it dry. Let me see if I can get any good kisses out on this. Yeah, it might be better to walk away from it, go and make myself a cuppa, come back when the paint has absorbed into the canvas a little bit more, and I might be able to salvage it to look like something pretty good. But you know, just keep working with it, because if the worst happens and you have to scrape it, then at least you've done all the things in between to try and get it back, you know, to salvage it. And this is coming on not too bad at all. Just keep the balloon, hold it a nice soft balloon, keep wiping it in between each balloon kiss, because otherwise if you push the paint back into that, that's what will send it muddy. Like that. No, that's not too bad. This will come good. I've got a good feeling. I've got a good feeling. Okay, we had a bit of a disaster, but I think it's going to be a disaster to master. Oh yeah, I like this. Oh, it's always a surprise. Life is like a box of chocolates. You never know which one you're gonna get. Okay, crazy Jill, and I have had no Christmas spirits yet. You know what, this is coming up. Flipping kissing is a saviour. Everything's better with a kiss. There you go. Oh, the colours are absolutely stunning. No, I love that now. I love it. That is a crack up. That's a crack up. And a crack up means, when they say in Australia, that's a crack up. Well, it used to be in England actually. That's a crack up. It's a laugh. It's a laugh. You've got to laugh at yourself. Remember your art room, your rules, your way. I am going to bring you down. Oh my goodness, that is a feast of colour for the eyes, and I love them. Love them, love them. I'm going to just leave them. I'm just going to finish off my edges and I'm going to leave it, and I just absolutely love that. I don't know if I've done a dip and a kiss and dip. There you go, something new. No, everything's been done before, and I have probably done it before. It's just that I've done so much I can never remember. So you guys, please stay safe, enjoy your holiday. Oh, I've just dropped my glove in another painting. Oh God, I'm a plonker. Okay, I will see you tomorrow. Wait on for the photos. Bye for now.